Rainbow art kits were all the rage back in the 90s. Take a look at this!
Are you ready for the wildest paint set you've ever seen? It's the amazing Rainbow Art Set. Painting has never been this easy or this much fun before. Create amazing drawings and works of art instantly.
Well, okay. That isn't our version because your boys at Crayola had to make their own cheaper version, didn't they? Also, if you're into Crayola, do check out our handy dandy Crayola playlist, which is full of disappointment. It's a good playlist, I promise. Now this feels like a rite of passage because Steph and I are 90s kids and this was on TV in the 90s like every day, numerous times.
And yet neither of us have ever used one.
No, this is legitimately really exciting.
It's time for paddle painting.
Time to get paddled. Can we just talk about how big this box is? Look how big, it can't even fit on the camera, it's huge. So I do hope everything's in this. It's given examples of paper and stuff, so it better be in there.
Oh gosh.
Oh, there we go, we're in. Ooh!
Oh, so there is like paper included.
We've got a nice scene. Bit curly, but that's okay. Like a really zoomed in shot of, I think, a flower? Oh.
I think that's like the surface of like planets or the moon.
Oh, I thought it was like a zoom in of a horse and these were its eyes. Can you see that? I thought it was just a really like a horse selfie. Oh, another beach scene. Can we talk about how all of these are different as well? Oh,
White paper.
Okay, that's, oh my god.
We were saying that we were gonna need some paper, so I am glad.
And there's loads of it. Okay, that's awesome. That's definitely a point towards it. Gives you tons of
Bonus
paper.
points to Binny and Smith as always.
Yeah, because this is a Binny and Smith set. Oh, we got some instructions. Oh, and they're, oh my god, yes.
Oh, they're so cute.
Look at this, genuinely useful instructions. That's amazing. Oh, we got some stencils. There's a butterfly there, definitely. I'm not sure. Oh, some planets. On this side, there's a star.
A rocket.
Yeah. Ooh. And here's the main event. Oh my god. That looks amazing. We got a little brush, medium brush, and thick brush. This is what I love, honey. Check it out. There's one instruction step. It says, simply moisten one of the sponges. Dampen your chosen paddle on the wet sponge. If it's too wet, dab it on the dry sponge to remove excess water. Finally, drag across the paint discs at a 45-degree angle and start creating. That's amazing. Oh, what are you doing?
I just wanted to have a quick look at these properly.
Oh yeah, your little stencils. Oh god, that's a massive rocket, Jesus.
A big old butterfly.
And I have to admit, Crayola do love putting bugs and butterflies in these kits, don't they? The amount of times we've came across like these little bug things, it's quite common.
It's the two genders. Boys like rocket ships, and the girlies of the 90s love a good bug.
It was a different time, guys.
I want to at least figure out how this works. So we've got one wet sponge.
Yes, I have pre-wet one,
This
and
is
we have
the
a dry one.
sponge.
What paddle are you gonna go for?
Maybe a medium-sized paddle.
You don't want to paddle too hard when you're just getting started.
So do I wet it first?
Yeah, it says on the instructions to wet the paddle with the sponge. Yeah, give it a dab. It says if it gets too wet to dry it on the dry one, but I think this looks alright. It's not dripping or anything. Then it says at a 45-degree angle, drag it across your coloured discs. So just pick whatever colours you want. You got some colour? Oh yeah, yeah. And then you just draw across and it should produce... Oh! That sounded atrocious! What the hell was that?
Oh no! Okay, this is looking wetter this time.
Okay, good, good. Okay, let's give it another go, hun. You've got this. She's having a hard time. I mean, look, all you've managed to produce so far is like unicorn skid marks.
If anyone can make some beautiful art out of this, it's us, apparently.
You know what? You know what I'll do, honey? Let me really wet this. I'll absolutely soak it because we want to give it its best chance, okay? Alright, that thing is soaked. I have absolutely drenched that sponge.
Okay, that is a big old wet sponge. Oh yeah, I can see the water.
It's going like blah, blah, blah. Absolutely soak that bad boy. We want to give it the best chance it's got. Because maybe it was my fault. Maybe I wasn't putting enough water on the sponge.
Now, the paints are actually looking wet this time. That is...
An improvement?
Yes. Now everyone's favourite part.
Cover your ears.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, now we're
It
talking.
didn't make that horrible sound. I am so happy with that. I think now we've got to upgrade to the big sponge.
I think now we need to go to the hospital to get our ears checked because that was horrible. That's it. Oh yeah, dunk him in, make him nice and wet.
Figure out which colours to get into this. Okay, we're gonna add some green and blue.
Oh, blue. I'm a big fan. I love that they give us tons of paper as well. I'm very impressed with this so far. Oh, that's amazing!
It's alright. I did it. I did what the advert.
That's what the
told me
advert
to do.
always did.
No splatter, no drips, and the colors dry instantly.
I think it's Adam's turn to.
You want me
play
to
with
try
these.
it? Yeah, sure. You know who else also needs a paddling? The notification bell. Make sure to smack that bell. It's his only purpose, to get notified of all of our delicious videos.
And subscribe if you're not already.
Yeah, do it. I just ruined my hearing for the sake of this. Please, as if that hasn't earned it, I don't know what will. Rainbows are going down there because I have an idea that I want to do that I saw on the box.
Are you sure you can claim it as your idea if you saw it on the box?
You're damn right. None of us have used like the little baby paddle. We're all like, we're gonna use the big ones. I'll go with the same, I think, colours that Steph did. Oh, look at that. Oh! This might be ambitious for a first try, but I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna go for the 360.
Oh, it's dried out.
It's drying out, but that's okay. Oh, it's amazing! Oh my god.
The concept was there.
Oh my god, that might be the worst critique you've ever given me. The concept was there.
The concept continues.
Oh my god.
Okay, the yellow seems to have held on for dear life there.
For dear life. Forget that you're such like a Crayola diva. Oh my god.
I'm the Crayola diva.
Yeah, oh mate, I love Crayola products. I love every single one.
Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos.
Actually no, I'll do it this way because it'll be the right way round for you.
What? That's blue. Okay. I don't understand what's going
It's
on.
okay, it's okay. My vision, abstract as it may be, will come to fruition, don't worry. You gotta know what this is by now.
A dartboard with arms and fingers on those arms.
It's a snail! What's wrong with you? A little imagination, honey. It's a snail.
Oh, okay, I get it now.
Ah yes, the famous slithering dartboard.
With arms.
With arms. Dartboard. Alright, so seeing as using your imagination is a lost cause on this set, apparently, why don't we use one of the pre-made ones? I'm going with the beach one, because I think the beach one's quite cute. Oh,
Oh, that is looking very rainbowy.
And then I'm going to go across here like that. So, rainbow starts here. Goes across. Oh my god. I am really enjoying this. I'm genuinely impressed. When it was really dry, I was very worried that it was going to be a disappointment, but...
I think the paints just needed a chance to properly activate.
You know, because this is so watery as well, I wonder if we could do the water in blue, obviously, but then do like a blurred reflection of yellow in the sea.
This man is colorblind and he is ready to take on the ultimate challenge.
He's ready to
apparently.
make some big mistakes. Okay, we got a bit of rainbow ocean, but that's okay.
It looks kind of murky coloured.
Oh, but it's British, yeah. Our oceans are like brown.
That's true.
Oh, shut up, look at that.
It's definitely not watercolour paper that we're working with.
No, we've made lots of little water ants. I think, like, if you have, like, a little sprog, or if you want to, like...
Sprog.
You know, a youngling, or if you're just into this kind of thing. So far, it's worked flawlessly. I mean, what else can you say? It works as intended, and for Crayola these days, that's pretty good going.
So are you recommending that people go back about 20, 30 years?
Yes, if you want to experience good Crayola, step one, buy a time machine. And you know, when we use these sets, we want to stay as true to them as possible and only use what they provide. So, I hope it's looking alright for you.
So we're not sure what colour this is on the end. It's either a black or a brown, we're presuming.
I'm still not sure.
It's giving me black.
Should we do
vibes, I
like...
think.
Here we go, I'll turn it back around for you.
Now it's giving me brown vibes.
No, it's more brown, yeah, brown shark. Now I know that this is brown. Do you know what I want to do? I want to do another one of the pre-made ones. I just want to turn this into a horse. The way I see this, again, I still can't really see space. I hope someone else, guys, if you see this horse face, please tell me.
Do you see two separate horses or one horse?
Just one horse. That he's...
Oh, I thought there was two, like just off the corners of each.
No, and he's a bit cross-eyed. He's looking in different directions. This is the bit that you rub on his nose. And his eyes are going like... Do you see it? It's a horse.
It's like he's come up really close to the camera lens and we're like, hello, horse.
Look, what are you doing, horse? Well, as soon as I saw this, I was like, that's a horse face. Like, that's a unique choice. Oh, the pencil's out.
Yeah, I want to sketch my own idea to put in here.
I'm glad that you did this, because, like, in terms of sketching out our own ones, I wasn't 100% sure what to do. And I know that... Oh, look how cute it is! I was going to say, I knew you'll do something cute for it. Is it a caterpillar?
It probably once was a caterpillar.
Is it a butterfly?
Yeah, and I was thinking we can do the wings.
With the... Oh, that's
brushes.
such a good idea! And I think, like, Steph's really good. I've never been very good at it, but I always thought that Steph, when it comes to, like, doing art and styling things in different ways, Steph's always been really good at breaking things down into different shapes and simple shapes, but it still looks as it should, and that's gonna like lend to this so well. I think it's gonna look really cute.
And Steph's the best at drawing like a 5-year-old.
That's not what I mean. I think you guys would agree, right? She's really good at making something into simple shapes, but still being able to read what it is. It's perfect for colouring books, which she does have, by the way.
I do. And so does Adam as well. I don't know why he's acting like I'm the only person who's made a colouring book.
Yours is better than mine, but you can buy both if you want. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Woo.
It might also help as well if you want me to. I can flip them over, because the other sides are probably cleaner.
Yeah,
Do you
that's
want
a good point.
me to flip them around for you, sweetheart? Oh dear, diarrhea sponge. Let's
Call it
let's
that.
flip it back. See, there you go. Oh. Red?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Yeah! What you doing there? Yellow? Oh, red and yellow. Shut up. That's gonna look so good. Oh my god! That looks amazing! It's so cool! Just amazing. I hope you guys don't mind that I'm always gushing about how good she does on this, but I just think it's really good. And I think the best way to nurture any kind of skill is to tell them that they're doing a good job.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
And I like to tell Steph she's doing a good job every day. Actually, let me tell you right now, from me and Steph, whatever you guys are working on, you're doing a good job.
It looks great.
Yeah, it looks great, like this sponge.
Now let's try get this leaf.
Oh, is that what you're doing? Oh, that came out awesome. Look at that thing. This has like fridge aesthetics. That's my review of this set. Very, very fridge aesthetic.
Let's see if you can figure out what this is.
Oh, okay. Oh. Well, let me get the letter V. Oh, it's a stall. That's where you sell things. Oh, she's good, isn't she? Oh, you gotta draw something. Oh.
What could they be selling at my stall?
Circus things.
The only thing I remember ever buying from a circus is it's like a stick with a plate that you get on top and
And you spin it. That's adorable. I'll spin it round to show you guys as well, because it's so cute. Look, again, this set isn't for precision or anything. It's just to make cute colors and cute things to make you smile. And I don't know about you, I've been smiling a lot in this video. You've been making some really cute stuff. Oh my god, Circus Steve! Look how cute this is! He's selling his circus trinkets just for $1. That's the face of an honest businessman.
Listen, this was in the 90s.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, $1 is probably like $100 now. Steve, what gives?
If you enjoyed this artwork, make sure that you check out our blow pen hair studio video.
Oh, that one's awesome.
It's one of our classics and most popular from our channel way back in the day. Oh, we've also got the Crayola playlist if you want to check out more vintage and modern Crayola products.
And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle.
Doodle did.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.